Precautions for maintenance of water-cooled chiller. When repairing the water-cooled chiller, it is easy to cause personal injury or machine damage. Non-professionals are not allowed to carry out tentative maintenance on the water-cooled chiller. All maintenance must be completed by professional personnel. Now let me explain some precautions for safe use of the machine, industrial water-cooled chiller. First, do not shut down the machine by cutting off the main power supply unless it is an emergency. Second, in case of fault alarm and shutdown of the water-cooled chiller machine, first turn off the main power switch of the machine, and then check the cause of the fault. It is not allowed to start the machine forcibly before the fault is eliminated. Third, in order to prolong the service life of the system and prevent safety accidents, regular inspection must be carried out. Fourth, the water used in the system shall be treated first because the water with high alkalinity will aggravate the corrosion of copper pipes and reduce the service life of heat exchanger.